Want to know how channels grow fast? I'll show you how to grow your YouTube channel. If you're struggling with views, this video is for you. These are proven YouTube growth strategies. Let's get started with the first step. Pick one clear niche to focus your content. The biggest mistake is trying to upload everything. Pick one topic, one audience, one clear goal. When YouTube understands, it pushes your videos more. Clarity equals growth, so be specific. Focus on titles and thumbnails to attract viewers. If no one clicks, it doesn't matter how good the video is. Use curiosity-driven titles to grab attention. Keep thumbnails simple with one emotion, one message. Title gets the click. Content keeps them watching. This boosts YouTube CTR and watch time. Post consistently, not perfectly, for best results. You don't need perfect videos, just consistent uploads. Start with 2-3 videos per week, or one video and shorts. Consistency trains the algorithm and your audience. Use YouTube Shorts for fast growth and engagement. If you want fast growth, Shorts are powerful tools. Post hooks in the first 2 seconds to grab attention. Provide clear value and include a call to action. Many channels explode using Shorts for subscribers. Retention is the secret weapon for YouTube success. YouTube promotes videos people watch longer. Start with a strong hook to keep viewers engaged. Remove boring intros to maintain interest. Tease what's coming next to build anticipation. High retention equals more views and faster growth. That's how you grow a YouTube channel fast. If this helped, like the video for support. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips and tricks. Comment "Grow" if you want a full roadmap. See you in the next video with more strategies.